Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it. We are going on cross-country road trip number 2. Me and the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. We're gonna head from Florida all the way to the Pacific Northwest, maybe up into Canada. We're gonna let the wind guide us, all right? Wherever the wind blows us, that's where we're going. Hope you stick around. Let's go for a ride. And right now we are heading west, baby. To the great west and beyond. We're leaving St. Petersburg right now. You can see Tampa right about there. Stick along for the journey, stick along for the ride. I love you. Let's get some. Day 2, Sweet Home, Alabama. I don't want you to get bored, so with the magic of cinematography, in 3 seconds, I'm gonna snap my fingers and we're gonna be at the Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
One eternity later.
And just like that, we have made it to Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona. There's actually a pretty sweet ring road here. It's swooping. It is sunset. It's a little chilly in the mountains. Yeah, it sucks. It's the sun setting right in my eyes right now. Directly in my retina hole. First good road on this trip. And I like it. Whoa! What's this viewpoint? Hold up. You see this? Ooh. Well, alright. It's bigger than I thought it was. Yeesh. You gotta trust the process. Just trust it. Just trust it. There it is. Just believe. You gotta look through it. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice road actually. Oh, yep. That's it right there. It's a sweet spot. We like to hear. We are in the search for the next pullout game week. Jeez, this road's freaking good actually. Whoa! Hold on there. There it is. Whoa, we're going into the sun. Stupid sun. We're heading to the Grand View apparently. I'm excited. I think we're near the south side. Seen this? This is the best view ever. Look at this. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. We're ripping it. Oh my god. Grand Canyon. Let's go. This place is sick. I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning. I'm gonna fly the drone right outside the border and hopefully be able to just peek in the door of the Grand Canyon so I could see these majestic canyons since I can't fly the drone inside. What a waste. Anyways, this ring road. Wait. Whoa. People are missing out on this view here. Hold up. That's the view of dreams right there. We're gonna ride up on it. Why not? Why the hell not? Whoa! Kudos! Kudos! That's why I love being on the motorcycle. You can just ride right up onto the sidewalk and you get the best shots ever. It's an amazing thing. It's a beautiful thing. Grand Canyon, engage!